So let's quickly revise the questions of the balls. Where and where not, we will apply the combination. We put the multiplication sign or the plus sign to understand these questions. Now, if you already know the questions, please pause the video and take the questions or write the answers in the chat box. A bag contains 7 red, 5 green, 6 blue balls. Okay, so you have 7 red, 5 green and 6 blue balls. We know that if they are asking us to select the red balls, we will select the red balls from the red balls, green balls from the green balls, 6 balls from the 6 balls, blue balls. Okay. Now 3 balls are drawn one by one. So I told you previously, when they ask you to draw the balls one by one, you better to use the fundamental counting principle. Fundamental counting principle to be on the safer side. Okay, without replacement. Without replacement and 3 balls. First of all, how many total balls you have? So 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18 in total. You have to select how many balls? You have to select 3 balls. So first time the bag will contain the 18 balls. The second times the bag will contain the 17 balls. And the third time the bag will contain 16 balls because you are drawing it without replacement. Now see, the first ball is red. When you are drawing the red ball, the number of the red ball is 7. So you already wrote the 7. Okay, so let me check here. Let me write here. This is the box. Okay, so from the first time, it was the first situation. You had the 18 balls, out of which you draw the 7 balls. Now left only 6 balls, which means in the second chance you will have the 17 in total. Now you have to draw the green balls. So how many green balls are there? There are 5 green balls. So if you draw it, now 4 green balls are left. And the third is blue. So while selecting the blue balls, you will have the 6B. Okay. So in other words, you can write it also that 18C1 for the total part. Okay, so you can write it as 18C1, 17C1 and 16C1. First time you are drawing the ball which is red, so you will write here 6C1. In the second case, the ball has to be green, so it will be 5C1. And the third scenario is you have to find the probability so that the ball is blue, so blue are 6C1. So this is the way we will select. Since the balls are 3, the action now completed. So when the action was not completed, you put the multiply sign between them. A bag contains 7 white and 9 black balls. 2 balls are randomly taken out. So when it is not obvious that one by one you are taking the balls out, 2 balls are taken out from the bag. Okay, so you can write it directly from the bag one by one. Again, one by one is given to you. Find the probability of getting one white ball and another black ball. Okay, so one white ball, so it means 7 and the total are 16. Now, they are not telling you that with replacement or without replacement. When it is not obvious, then you always consider it as without replacement. So you will have the 15 balls and the other ball is black. So you will have 9 out of 15. A bag contains 3 red, 5 yellow and 4 green balls. 3 balls are taken out randomly from the bag. Okay, they didn't said one by one. They said just take out the three random balls. Okay, so that all the balls are of different colors. So you have to choose the first ball, second ball and third ball, which means the total are the three balls. One will be red, one will be yellow and one will be green. So all the balls have the different colors. So what is the probability of choosing the balls which are of different colors? So what is the total probability? So you have the total number of the balls, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 balls in total. So 12 C3, you are choosing the 3 balls, so that all are of different colors. So you will have red balls, you will should have the selection of one red ball out of how many red balls? 3 red balls. Is the action completed? No. So you will put the multiply sign. So one yellow ball out of how many total balls? 5C1. Is the work completed? No, yet not yet, because we have to select the 3 balls. One ball is done, 2 ball is done, one more ball will make the action completed. So one more ball, so that it is green. So out of 4 balls, this is green. So now the action is completed. Okay. Next, a basket contains 6 blue balls, 2 red balls and 4 green balls and 3 yellow balls. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 15 in total you have. If 4 balls are picked, okay, so total you have to pick 4 balls, so that the 2 are red. So the 2 balls are red and 2 balls are green. So when you pick the 2 red and 2 green, then the action will be completed. That's why the first thing is that we will put a multiplication sign. Now, are they specifying then first ball you pick, then put it down, or not? Not like that. Just they are saying that pick 4 random balls. So the probability in the denominator for the 4 balls out of the total 15 balls will be written as 15C4 selection as a selection. Now on the top, the 2 balls should be red. So how many total red balls are there? 2. So 2C2. Action not done, so multiply, and 2 balls should be green. Out of 4 green balls, the 2 balls has to be green. So now the selection is completed. So 2C2 times 4C2 divided by 15C4, check which option is suitable for you. If none of the answer is given, you will choose the fifth option, that is none of these. A bag contains 3 red balls, 4 black balls and 5 green balls. 3 balls are drawn randomly. So you have to draw the 3 balls. Okay. In such a way that all balls are of green color. So this is green, this is green, this is green. Okay, so they are not specifying that one by one the action is having. Okay, so they are just saying pick the 3 random balls. So what is the total number of outcomes? The total number of outcomes will be total how many? 9, 10, 11, 12 balls. 12 in total. So 12C3. All the balls are of green. It means the selection of the green balls from the green balls. So out of 5 green balls, you have to select the 3 green balls. Now a bag contains 4 black, 5 white and 6 yellow balls. 3 balls are drawn randomly. What is the probability that no ball is white? Okay, no ball is white means maybe they will be black or maybe they will be yellow. Okay, so no white. So they are not specifying that which color it should be if it is not black. They are just saying that any ball you have to pick. So, but the main condition is that no white ball. So what does it mean? No white balls means either black or the yellow. So 4 blue and 6 yellow means out of the 10 balls you have to select. So the total are 4 and 10 and 15 balls. So total selection is 15C3, and out of the 10 balls you have to select the three balls. A bag contains six real diamonds, okay, and 5 fake diamonds. If 6 diamonds are picked from a bag at random, what is the probability that at most 4 of them are real? What is meant by at most? At most means 4 or less. So maybe 4 of them are real. Okay, 4 are real. You have to pick how many? 6 diamonds. Maybe 3 are real, or maybe 2 are real, or maybe 1 is real, or maybe none is real. At most, okay? So 4 real, or 3 real, or 2 real, or 1 real, or no real. Okay? Now, if we have to select how many diamonds? 6 diamonds. Okay? So understand that if 6 diamonds have to be selected, 4 are real, so maybe 2 are fake. Or if I'm saying or, it means I have to put the plus. Or if 3 are real, so 3 may be fake. If 2 are real, then 4 may be fake. If 1 is real, then maybe 5 are fake. If none of them is real, so it means all the 6 are fake. So this is the situation which they are asking us to find it out. So what is the total number of selection? 6 selection out of how many total? 6 plus 5, 11 C6. So this is the total number of outcomes. Now, no real. It means all are fake. So fake from the fake you have to do. Okay. Now, 5 fake diamonds. Okay. There are 5 fake diamonds. Okay. So 6 fake diamonds not possible. So this condition doesn't go. Why? Because the total number of fake diamonds I have 5. So how could it be possible? I will choose the 6 fake diamonds, right? So 1 real and 5 fake. So 5 fake means 5, so 1 real. 1 real means 1 real out of 6 real, and 5 fake out of 5 fake, plus my second conditions. It could be 2 real, 2 reals out of 6 reals, or and 4 fake out of 5 fake. Action completed. Or plus 3 real, it means out of the 6, 3 real and 3 fake out of 5. Then action completed. Or, so plus 4 real, so out of 6, 4 may be real, and 2 fake, so out of 5, maybe there are 2 fake. So this is the possibility. Write it in the calculator all together and just get the answer. But don't forget to put the multiplication sign between the combinations. A jar contains 10 black buttons, 6 brown buttons. If 9 buttons are picked, so out of the total, so 16 total buttons, so total number of outcomes, you have to pick 9 random buttons. So out of 16, you are choosing the 9 random buttons. What is the probability that exactly 5 of them are black? What is meant by exactly 5 of them are black? It means if 5 are black, you have to choose actually 9. So 4 must be brown, right? So if exactly 5 are black, then 4 are brown. So when you choose the black and brown, then it becomes the 9 and the action gets completed. That's why between them we will put a multiply sign. So choose the black from the black and choose the brown buttons from the brown buttons. How many black buttons selection possible? 5 black selection out of 10 black buttons times 4 brown buttons out of 6 brown buttons. Now the action completes. So a bag contains 4 white balls, 2 black balls. Okay, this is first bag. Another bag contains 3 white balls and 5 black balls. If one ball is drawn from each bag, it means from this bag one ball and from this bag one ball. What is the probability that both the balls are black? So first write the probability of the first bag and write the probability of the second bag. Okay. So how many total favorable outcomes? Total balls are 6. Okay. So total are 6 balls total, right? So total is 6 balls from the black ball from the first bag. So it will be 6C1 because from the first bag you only have to select the first one ball so that the ball is black. So selection of the black from the black ball. So one ball has to be black. It means out of the 2 balls, one ball will be black. Times. Why times? Because from each bag you have to select one ball and you have to draw the 2 balls from the in total. Okay, so what will be the second selection? So second is total 8 balls. So total 8 balls, it means 8C1. You have to choose one ball so that it is black out of one ball is black out of 5 black balls. You will write it and get the answer. So let's try what is our answer here. Okay, let's try to make sure that our working is correct. So it will be 2C1, 2 divided by 6 and then 5C1, that means 5 divided by 8C1, it is 8. So 5 over 24 is the correct answer. So almost all the questions about the combination and the permutation and the with and without replacement questions are already done, and you have now you understood almost a part of the probability. Now in the next video we will bring the new concept of the probability and will solve the questions with you. And we will keep making the videos on the probabilities until you understand all the concept and choose that and understand that which logic is suitable for which kind of the questions. Now revise all the questions which we have done so far before going to the before taking one higher step. Thank you very much. Bye bye.